YouTube! Welcome back to another video. We've got a very exciting video lined up for you today. We are going on a road trip.
This is going to be a two-part series. There's going to be 2 videos, and in the second video we'll be in a new country.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Clary's never been to this country. I have before. But we have a very exciting prospect that could happen. But we're not sure if it's going to happen. But we're hoping, we're holding thumbs for it to happen. And
this video might be a little bit longer than our usual, like 5 to 6, 7 minutes.
It'll be a bit longer,
but it's going to be
that.
Jam-packed.
But we'll make it with you a while. So let's go. We'll see you
soon.
Stop number 2. It's a bit cold. Are you cold?
Yes.
We're gonna go check out some wildlife. What's happening, Clary?
I'm about to feed a rhinoceros.
This must be one of the best best pit stops you can ever find. It's on the way to Harrismith on the N3. It's called Tandatau. So yeah, Clary's gonna go feed a rhino. Wow.
It's a bit darker.
They call it Africa's unicorn. Tell us how you feeling, Clary.
I'm feeling super excited but really nervous because rhinos are huge.
This is gonna be fun. They're coming to fetch Clary for the rhinos, but I'm gonna quickly run to the fence and show you the lions. Let's go quick. Wow, hello dude. Big guy. Can't believe I'm walking literally 5 meters away from a lion. I think I'm gonna get Clary because she needs to come and see this, and these guys are taking way too long for the rhinos. Are you ready for this?
I think so.
Come look at this.
Oh my Jesus.
Fully grown male albino lion.
See what happens if I stand in between him and his food.
Yeah, he's like, meh.
no words. That was just the most incredible animal. To be so close to that. How was that, Clary?
One of the most incredible things I've ever done.
Come here, boy. Meet Bundu, our big white rhino. Just leisurely taking a stroll with us. I can't believe this. Hey! This cost 100 Rand. Rhino interaction. Just an incredible thing to do, people. I highly recommend it. Especially since these guys are so endangered and in so much trouble in our country.
I don't want to leave.
Yeah. There you go, boy. Bye.
Bye, Bundu. Bye, big boy. My heart is so full, it's bursting through my eyes.
Is that what those water droplets on your eyes are?
Yeah.
So that was a moving experience.
Yes,
Yeah, like I said, this is pretty much the best pit stop station garage I've ever been to. It's called Tanda Tau. You can eat food, there's a bakery, there's a bar, there's a restaurant, you need petrol, there's an OK Express, there's a Spur, there's lions, there's rhino. Only in Africa, hey? So we've just arrived in our little Airbnb in Clarens. I'll put the link in the description. Do you like it?
It's cute.
It's cute, eh?
So we're just going to show you around our little place now.
Got our bed here. Giving us some milk tart. It's always welcome. A little kitchen and TV.
Here's the bathroom.
Yeah.
It's in the cupboard, silly.
Toilet. Small, but nice. All you need, shower, and the smallest sink ever. After a short little recess in our Airbnb, it's time to go out for some dinner. It's freezing outside and the wind is howling, but we're gonna brave it and go for dinner.
Right guys, that concludes our video for today and our first day in Clarens. So we'll see you in the morning for part 2. Night.
Night. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Welcome to day 2 in Clarens.
Today we've got a few activities planned.
So let's get started. Are you warm? We gotta be quiet. We're going to a vulture hide. We'll see you when we're there. What?
A vulture.
Where's the vulture?
There in the sky. Yeah.
There he is.
Lie, dear love.
Larry wants to lie down on the floor. Didn't see any vultures there, but there were dead cows. But no vultures. But we see one in the distance flying far away. Hey! Quick bite to eat in the park at a picnic site. We're really enjoying our time in the park so far. Really highly recommend coming to check it out.
It's very cute here. Picnic with a view. There's beautiful mountains behind us. And then, what else are we going to do today?
So we're going to be going back into Clarens shortly and maybe take some photos at the sign, the famous Clarens photo frame, and then go into the town and show you guys around the town and see what we can find there. Famous Clarens photo frame. Quite a busy become a tourist attraction now. You got to get very lucky to get the sign all to yourself. We've been waiting for quite a while, and this morning there was a huge fire behind in the background, so we just decided to come this afternoon. So now we're going to go to Clarens Square, maybe have a bite to eat, show you guys around. Okay, we've just arrived in the Clarens Square. It's a pretty cool area. Little shops and restaurants. There's a brewery, the famous Clarens brewery. We're just going to quickly check out the statue. The statue is in memory of 5 people that were murdered by the Basotho people. These 5 guys were murdered. Originally this statue was on a farm, I think from 1865, and they moved it to the town square centre in 1912 when Clarens was actually established. Clarens was established and given its name after Paul Kruger was in exile in Clarens, Switzerland, and he was actually involved in avenging the death of these 5 guys. He declared war shortly after President Paul Kruger on the Basotho people and won the war, and to commemorate that event they decided to put the statue up and name the town Clarens after him. We just came to a little espresso bar called Highlands Coffee. Clearly needed a recharge after all the morning's activities.
That won't be after this.
Yeah. We're not done yet, we still have more to show you guys. For those of you that don't already use steel straws, you better start using steel straws, eh? No plastic straws. None of that.
None of that. Do you want to talk?
We're going on a spontaneous adventure on a hunt for some snow.
It's going to be my first time seeing snow ever. So we're driving to the border of Lesotho now because we just met a snow patrol or snow what?
We met someone from the Facebook group Snow Report SA.
Yeah, and he said there won't be any snow in Lesotho tomorrow and we're going to find snow now!
So we are going. Arrived at the top of Moteng Pass on our hunt for snow. But Clary had to put on her snow jacket, of course. What you got?
Snow.
found some snow, guys. Finally, after all the adventuring.
Just a little bit.
Just a little.
Little bit enough to make me happy.
Yes.
Go.
In the snow.
Falling down.
It's pretty cold. I don't even have a jacket on. There. Not a lot of snow, but just enough to make us smile. And that's all that matters. So we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.
Bye. Recording.
My hand wasn't in. This is recording. So these, sorry.
Sorry.
So, but we'll make it worth your while.
Love, you sound like you're on a TV show. We'll make it worth your while.
Can I tell you something? I didn't record that.
Love, you've got a bit of an issue when it comes to pushing that record button.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 2 in Clarens.
That was my line. Today we've got a few activities planned, so... what am I saying? This is your part.
It's your part.
Ready,
He's
steady,
doing it.
and good morning. Okay, go.
What?
Let's get started. Say get, go. My dear love.
We didn't. Was in. What's the word? What's the word when they go? What was Paul Kruger? He was in exile.
See you in the next vlog. Bye.